friends are gonna get to watch that.
And there's the presidential motorcade coming through Cookeville, Tennessee. He's heading over to the storm tornado damaged area here in Cookeville. Apparently they landed over at Cookeville High School, which was the largest place for them to be able to land. You can probably hear people cheering along the side of the road.
That's all she wrote.
And there they went. And the crowds are now dispersing. That has probably been the most activity that little old Cookeville, Tennessee has seen in quite some time, outside of the devastating tornado that ripped through.